welcome in. I'm just setting up my controller to get ready. How are you all doing? The code to join the tournament is on screen over there. So if you have Mario Kart, you can join me. My name is Irie. I'm very fluffy, and I'm gonna play Mario Kart with only one hand. So the only thing I'm gonna do is set my preset to that, so I can use items while I play Mario Kart. That's the only thing I'm changing. I'm still gonna play with one hand. So you can join in here if you want, or you can just watch. I have added CPU, so if not enough people join, we'll still have a good race. So let me join. It should be open now. Yes, we will be joining the tournament. Let's go. Look at this. There are several options of furry here. How are you all doing, by the way? I can't see the chat, but there is like a 12-second delay-ish, so I wouldn't be able to read your message right away. I think I'm gonna play Link today, which isn't particularly furry, but it looks cool. Someone in stream chat says the audio is really low. I don't know if the tech ghost knows anything about it, or if it's only on that one person's end. I don't know. It doesn't really matter which parts I select at this point. We are 2 players, that's nice. I think I know who that is. If anyone else wants to hop in, like I said, the code is on screen over there. There. Let's see if I can point. There. Code. There's a code to join. This is a tournament on Mario Kart Deluxe 8 online, so you can just hop in if you want to challenge me. I will be playing with one hand, one paw. My other paw will be, well, presumably just in my lap. So let's see how this goes. Let's see if I can... Okay, there we go. Now I'm holding the controller properly. One hand. I won't be holding it like this the whole time, but I can hold it like this in the beginning so you can see that I'm playing one-handed. Is the game too loud? That I can fix myself. But then I need to... Ooh, this is bad. We'll get the head start because I needed to fix the audio. That's cheating. But I am playing one-handed. It's a lot harder to play one-handed when I'm holding up my hand, but... I'll recover from this. Look at these NPCs being slow, and they're probably driving with, well, they're driving with no hands because they're computers. They're driving with circuits. So this is how it goes. I might be a little rusty, but it'll be soon. Obviously I can't read the chat while I'm driving, but I'll check it between races. And if anyone has any questions about either how I'm driving, or anything, my seat, I guess. But if you want to join, you can still join. You can just hop in at any time. We will be playing until the opening ceremony starts at like 10 to 2. CAT, so see if we can catch up. I would be happy if we caught up enough to at least get slightly more ahead than we're now. I'm not sure if we can catch up to the other players though. If it is who I think I am, they're pretty good. Because I have a friend who plays Mario Kart who I specifically invited to come join me, and he is the only person that I've played against, like, the only one of my friends who have been able to beat me at Mario Kart. I'm not, like, the best Mario Kart player, but I'm pretty decent, especially considering right now I'm playing with one hand, one paw. So I'm playing with the Purrtail paw, I'm wearing a Purrtail head, I can't see the screen all that well. It's still zooming, pretty much. There we go, now we're catching up to Chris even. Look at my friend go. Hi, Chris. Ow. So even with the bad start, I did manage to catch up in the end, even though we got the 3rd place here, I think. Yeah, not too bad, not too bad. Let me see chat. Game a bit loud. Did it fix it when I fixed it? Hi, Kirby. Hi, Space. I recognize people in chat. Hey, Charis. Technical little pause. Yeah, I'm playing one pod. I guess zoomies. Yes, gotta go fast. Oh my, I don't want to do Yoshi's Circuit. I'm just gonna pick Water Park. What about beating tracks in Mario Kart? Oh, I can tell that story because that's a thing that actually happened. It was mentioned during the first 2 trades, but at one point when Trax was visiting me, as in visiting my home, I did challenge him to play Mario Kart while I was wearing my whole full suit, my whole fursuit. Trax was just, you know, not wearing a fursuit. Trax was playing normally. Trax was using both hands, and I played one-handed, and I wiped the floor with him. That's a real thing that happened. But to be fair, I had a little more practice in Mario Kart. But I did actually win against Drax with one paw in fursuit before, which is partially what inspired this charity stretch goal as well, because I figured it would be fun for others to see me play with just one hand. I don't do that often, but it works fine. It requires a little finicking with the controller. Oops. I was trying to read the chat. I will check on that after. I'm so used to reading the chat all the time when I stream, because I stream every week, 3 times a week normally. Darn it. But I'm also not used to playing one-handed in fursuit while streaming. This is not an everyday thing for me. If you want to see more what it's like when I stream just normally, check out the stream after this. After the opening ceremony, I will be back playing without fursuit, and I will be playing Super Animal Royale. And that will be a little more normal for me, because I'll be seeing what I'll do, I'll not have pause on, and yeah, it will be a ton of fun. There will be a lot of fun streams today though. After me, I believe, is Kirby's turn to stream, and I heard that he's gonna play in fursuit too. I'm playing Crash Bandicoot, if I remember correctly, so please definitely check that out. He's a really cool streamer as well. Pretty cool. We'll both get to showcase a little bit of, you know, our usual streams. Bye, Boruto. I don't like this track, especially when playing one-handed, because it has 5 turns, and the problem with one-handed is I can't brake. I can't let go of the gas, but it's finicky because the way I'm currently holding the controller, it requires me to hold the gas to, you know, not lose the controller. So if I'm gonna let go of the gas, I need to be careful so I don't drop the controller, which is not ideal. Alright. I almost looked cool by shooting someone with a green shell, and then I hit the banana, so all my cool points are gone. Good thing, as long as I'm fursuiting, I don't lose any peak points. Those are just always on point. Let's see this arcade again. No, it's not fall this time. Let's blast into that. Darn it. I hope Chris didn't hear me say I don't want this track and then picked it to spite me. He could have if the delay wasn't too big. Chris is a really good Mario Kart player. But he's also playing with 2 hands. I know perfect. So I'm a bit closer to beating him when we're playing more evenly. This didn't go so well. But I said it, this track wasn't ideal. The audio's good. Use an elbow to steer the plane. Wow, I'm just trying to read chat here. I can't read everything, but wow. Only time I played a game in Soup was Confusion 2018. Played Super Smash 64. I remember saying, if Sonic Fox can do it, so can I. And I wiped the floor. and wipe the floor with the opponents. 2-pod, yeah. Chris, I just said that I hope you didn't hear that I didn't want to play the Yoshi stage and then you picked it because I didn't want to play it. But I hope you picked it because you liked it, because that really got me. Let's see if I can do this one any better. I have kind of revealed my weakness now, though, if Chris wants to try to pick stages strategically. Any stage that requires me to go slower than super fast is bad, because of the way I'm holding the controller. Hey, Chris, take the red shell. Enjoy. I wonder how far behind the stream is. Should be about 12 seconds-ish. By the way, if I missed something in chat because you posted while I'm racing and you want me to answer it after, just post it again because I can't really scroll in chat, so I only see the last like 10 messages or so. Red shell? Does anyone want the red shell? Blue shell? Does anyone want the blue shell? I hope Chris is in for it first. I'm being wiped up. Oh, Jolie has joined. I just noticed that. Hello, Jolie. Nice racing with you. I love that people I know are joining. Jolie is super cool, actually. And he has done great work for NFC at home. Okay, let's go. We can do better than this. I need at least one first. I knew when I talked to Chris about this donation goal, I knew that if he was gonna play, I wouldn't win no matter what I did. But I was hoping I could still provide some challenge for people, even when playing one-handed. Because that's kind of the fun of this, that I'm not the best, but I'm still playing okay, I think, for playing one-handed in 2. I see Chris in front of me. Please put on it. Bye, Chris. Yeah, first. Good job. Yes, that worked better than expected. Normally, when I play with 2 hands, I like to hold items behind me to protect me from red shells and stuff, but that's very hard with my current controller mapping, because, yeah, my hand is tense in general right now. And it's not gonna tense up any less from trying to hold out an item. First! See? I can beat people one-handed in person. Let's go! Ice is really good when it's not handicapped. Best player I've fought casual outside of the tournament. Thank you. Thank you, thank you. Stream is just a few seconds behind, that's good. Only time we'll see July on screen. Oops, I accidentally picked that one, didn't mean to. I mean, we've seen Jolie before, at least his fursuit, because he was in some of the videos. You just picked Josie's circuit because I like drifting, but that does work in my advantage. Yeah, drifting is okay, but it's the tightest turns that get me for that one. You got lucky? Oh yeah? Watch me. Watch me. I'm actually in the lead, point-wise. Of course, Jolie joined a little later, so he will be at a disadvantage. When I'm accidentally hitting my horn, it's because the remapping I did before we started, I remapped one single button, and that was the throw item button, which is remapped to be my X button, which is normally the button you use to look backwards, so I can't look backwards. Because that's the only button I can use, other than the gas and the jump. The drifting and gas and items are the only 3 buttons I can physically hit, and I'm obviously playing using motion controls for steering. That's the only way it's possible for me to do this one. Because motion controls I'm pretty comfortable with. Link isn't the character I usually play, but he has similar weight and like steering to the ones I normally play. third isn't so bad. Illegal to pass me. My hand is cramping up a little bit, and that might become a problem, but we're not going to play for that long. Might need to stretch my fingers between matches though. I can imagine it's slightly clunky to hold the controller with Fox. Just slightly. I'm invisible! Ah! Can't hit an invisible character with the lightning currently. Second place. Who's in front of me? It's crystal delay. I don't believe the NPCs are in front. They are hard CPUs. I turned on hard CPUs, so they are slightly good, but they're not, you know, much challenge for us. Hi, Chris. I see you're in front of me. So second place for me this time. Well, that's still pretty good though. Considering one pod. Let me stretch my hand this time. This is single-handedly the most interesting round of Mario Kart in person I've seen so far. Ha! Ha! I get it. Isaac got lucky last time we played? Sure. I mean, I could rematch you at NFC sometime for everyone to see. How would you like that track? Ooh, I like Animal Crossing stage. Purrtail is just where I normally live. Gosh darn blue shell. That's what you get for being in first. Maybe you should try being less in first if you don't like the blue shells. This is how bendable my fingers are, by the way. They're kind of short and not the easiest, but precise enough that I can press buttons. Luckily. Also, I'm still in the lead, so take that, Chris. I can't get the boost down because it's so hard to let go of the gas button like I explained before. Which is the reason that I'm more comfortable on the bigger stages. It's been a while since I've played Mario Kart. I really like this game. The graphics are great. It plays great. It's really cool that Link is in it. Can I cut to the green shot? Probably not. Oh. Tried to hit you with a red shell, but I guess I'll just pass you instead. Then he passed me back. That is not fair. I have a green shell. I don't like that. Oh, let's go. I'm gonna open the window in between the next matches because I just realized I forgot to do that. And it's a little hot because I'm really focused at it. That's fine. Just to pass by everyone. I see delay. Big green shells, not ideal. Something destroyed by the starter, but I don't guess that happened. I guess I'll catch up. We're running on the second lap. By the way, don't forget to donate to charity. There is a new feature today that if you donate to charity during the stream, it will actually show up in the stream chat. So, more honor and glory to you for donating. Everyone will see. That's a little neat too, just so people can see when other people are donating. It will make it, more incentive for more people to donate. Like, oh yeah, random person donated, I guess I should donate too. Feel free to test that feature if you want to test if it shows up in chat. Best way to test it is by donating. Items. Red shell from the usual. I'm more excited about this one. Fifth, not bad. Can live with that. Hello, welcome in, Sobu. Very good, you can play Mario Kart in Fursuit. I also play Forza Horizon Fursuit. Yeah, playing in Fursuit is always interesting. Mario Circuit is my favorite track, so I have to pick it, even though I don't think it's the best one for me. I think the F-Zero one is easier for me. We'll see. Messed up so many times, surprised you made it. I mean, that's one of the things I actually like about Mario Kart. You can kind of make a comeback even if you lose, which is kind of the intention of the items, because they mix things up a bit. The reason I like this track, it's kind of like the poster track, so to speak, of this game, because, heck, I can't open the window from here, I think. Not easy. I should have done it earlier. I'll try again next break. But this is the poster track for this game because this track is a Mobius strip, meaning that it folds in on itself. Like both sides of the strip is the track. It only has one side, but darn it. That's really annoying. Just bumped off the track right in the beginning. But yeah, it folds in on itself, so it's just like, this strip only has one side, but it's both sides, and it's full and sidelessly and completely. And you drive upside down a lot, which is good. I see delay again. Let's see if I can catch up. Delay and mushroom there. Maybe? Oh, those two. We'll just pass in a sec. Look at me using my friends for target practice. The inking doesn't affect me, I can't see the screen to begin with. Okay. Reminder that I'm playing with one hand, or one paw. I like that I just heard like Isabelle noises next to me. Like the noises you make like an animal. Blue Shell, you're welcome, Chris. This is your info. We are going so fast right now. We're zooming. I tried to cut the corner and I don't think it paid off too much. Nope. Ah. Delay barely beat me there. Darn it. But we're still zooming. Let's see if I can get that window now. Yeah, should be fine. Yep, window is open. I'm dying slightly less, probably, hopefully. Isabelle noises are best noises? Sure. Was that about being first? Chris, I will beat you up. Thanks for Purrtail. You can try to hug me, but not while I'm racing. I don't think she really gets streams. Isn't that a older person problem? I mean, my parents also know that I stream, and I think they get the concept, but they don't really like... I mean, they get that it's a thing, but they're not really interested in it, or they don't really like, yeah. It's not their thing. They just watch TV each night. I like that all the drivers get startled when I beat my horn. This is great. I got distracted by that, should have boosted, but... the detail I haven't noticed before. Boosting up hello with the way. By the way. I'm kind of glad that motion control is my preferred way of playing this game normally, because without that, I think it would be a lot harder to do the one-handed thing like at all. Just motion controls is currently a key part of that. You know, Chris is somewhere in front of me. I don't like these bullet bill following me though. Ah, that was tight. Where the heck is Chris? Oh, he's quite far ahead. I just peeked at the map. I can't really look at the map without like turning my head because of Chris's eyes and vision and stuff. Ah, I just dropped Morty almost down into the pit. Very good and right. Good stuff. The amount that Chris is currently ahead of everyone else is normally the amount I'm ahead when I play without it, like ish. Like the hard CPUs I don't normally see when I play against them alone. I just boost away from them and then they just disappear off time. Not crafted. Darn it. This is the only one in front of me currently. Alright, Morty. Well. Take some ink. Alright. Well, I believe Chris is both inked and small right now. Second star. Third place is fine though. Not too shabby. Feel like I'm doing alright. That soundtrack is boppin'. Yeah, the Mario Kart 8 Deluxe music is, or the Mario Kart 8 music is so good. I love the music track. I listen to it occasionally. I have it like in a playlist because it's so cool. Are you wearing paws? Yes. I am playing with one paw. One pod playing here. And other paw is also worn, but I guess just to make it harder for me because it's not doing much. Like, my other hand, obviously, I'm not using it, so I'm not just keeping it here, but it's still pod. It's still pod. Should stretch my fingers on this one again. My little finger especially is cramping because I need to hold the controller with it like that. So that's the biggest problem with doing this. I cramp up if I'm gonna play for too long. It's still possible for people to join in, by the way, if anyone else has this game. The code is on the screen, and it's open to just join for anyone who wants to play. You just need to have the game and Nintendo Online. I always screw up the boost when doing this one-handed. Beginner boost. Boost you get from doing the pink boost is really good though. As in when you manage to drift for long enough to get the pink boost. Didn't manage to hit Chris with a red shell, but I took away his red shell, so that's worth it. Aha! I shielded myself from a red shell using the banana peel. This is a really cool track as well. Very colorful. It has like Splatoon colors though, it's pink and green. I don't want no red shell. Oh, Chris. I don't want your banana peel, keep it to yourself. You tricked the item boxes before I had a chance to. Rude. Ah! I got the boost and it threw me off. When you drive behind someone for a little while, you get that little extra boost from driving behind them. I was in second and physical. I guess it's all lying. Or that I got hit. No, that's it on me. Heal. Third life. You can catch that. I noticed, by the way, that when I asked Trax if he wanted to rematch me at NFC so everyone could see, he went strangely quiet. It's almost as if he doesn't want to rematch. Because he claimed that I just got lucky. Or... yeah, so if he really thinks he can beat me, he can just rematch me at NFC. Like, on stage or something, so everyone can see it. If he's so confident that he would win. Like, prove the confidence. Oh, I'm really bad at this one. Oh, come on. That's kind of annoying that once you fall back, it's really easy to get hit by things because there's so many people around you. So that was a little ouch. Wish I had this game now. I mean, we can play it at your place sometime, Carino, because of course there is multiplayer locally. So I could just bring my copy if you want sometime. Main challenge for gaming in suit, I would say, is handling the controller, difficult and hard buttons, and wishing. Yes, definitely. Hard to see, hard to finger. Hey, we have a donation to charity. That's a huge donation too. Zelda donated $71. Thank you so much for donating to charity. Since I can read the donations in chat, I can personally thank everyone who donates as well. So thank you so much. Thank you. And Random Cat just donated $28 as well. Thank you so much. Oops. I don't have any audio anymore, but that's fine. You still have audio. Should have. No audio cues for me anymore. I accidentally unplugged my headphones. I can fix it before the next run. Ah, sweet silence. Sweet accidental silence. I hate these headphones though. I'm only using these because they're like ear plugs, like you know, like just regular ear plugs, and obviously that's a little easier to wear inside a person's head than over ear headphones, which is what I normally use. So these are just some old ear plugs that I have laying around, and they're not very good, and I just have to listen to them too. And the plug is bad, so they fall out easily. Take some fire, everyone. Okay, I hate being not in front because when I play this without suit, I can just be in front and then nothing can hit me except blue cells. But at this point, I keep getting hit from every angle because there's so many people around me and it's frustrating. One of my least favorite things in this game is just when you get hit by like 3 items in a row and you can't do anything about it. I really get taken away from it. I just got up to 2nd place without realizing it. That's what happens when I turn off my brain and play. I just play on autopilot and suddenly I I'm far ahead apparently. I mean, to be fair, the balls don't help quite a bit, but... Darn it, Chris! Almost had you with that red shot. Second place is not bad. Utilizers was made by space. Yes, the Glaceon is a tell. Very own space wizard. Yes. Yes. Space is a wizard. I accidentally picked the tractor, that's fine. Right, sound. Let me pick the sound. Now I can hear the game again. Pick the controller back up. There we go. One-handed controller. Just need to make sure I can press the button. There we go. Yeah, there is a slight chat delay, so Chris can reveal the results before the stream shows it if he wants to be mean, but... Hey, I'm in first, that was easy. Oh, I was like, why did my car show down? I managed to accidentally hold the brake key. See, that's the problem with gaming in suit. I was doing so well. Till I accidentally hit the brakes. Yeah! Gotcha. I'm glad that so far the online has seemed to work, as in we haven't had any problems with disconnection. Oh god, there's two stuff. No problems with disconnecting or anything like that, which is very promising. Intel online can be mixed. And I'm also glad that the tournament is working so well that people are able to join it and stuff. One of the things I had to check before we decided on this character threshold was that it's possible to let random people play against you online, and the way to do that is by making a tournament, because you can also play with friends. How did that miss both for bananas? I'm upset. I'm just gonna leave that banana behind. Banana betrayed me. Nothing worse than banana betrayal. But yeah, the tournament setup is really nice. It allowed me to set up this tournament and let it start at a specific time. Delay, how dare you? To be fair, I tried to sneak past Delay on like the inner turn and it didn't quite. Yeah. I make Delay with the Purrtail. What? That's rude! The Purrtail dropped me off in the turn, so I like slid to the side. And this is the last lap too. I don't think I can catch up at this point. Especially not if I drive straight into the banana pit. Please get something to eat. That's the best I could hope for at this point. I can catch up to you later. 6th place isn't bad. Not sure it's letting me join. You should be able to join space. Whew. It's getting a little hot in here. You know what? I'm gonna use this break to take a sip of water. Enjoy the vision of me deep-throating a ball. It happens. Oh, it's okay, Chris. It's okay. It's more like a teaser at that point, since you didn't, like, specify exactly what happened, or who won, or whatever. In space, no one can hear you join. My current camera setup isn't quite suit-friendly. I the camera I have is really bad, but I need a setup that allows me to be a little more zoomed out, so to speak, which is currently not possible. I could technically sit farther away from the screen, but my chair doesn't go further back because it's a couch and complicated. But I am working on upgrading my stream setup because, like I said, I do stream on Twitch 3 days a week. Sorry. In March I've been doing 2 days a week because I've been busy in the weekends. But normally I stream 3 days a week. All kinds of stuff. And I mean, if anyone wants to see more shenanigans, you can follow me. Or you can not follow me and just watch me here too. The Twitch link is on the screen, it's also just Purrtail. And also, follow Kirby when he's streaming later today, because he's also cool. Follow Kirby. See, I'm promoting other people, that's better, right? How I am third? I felt like I was playing so badly. I guess I wasn't. Again, when I don't pay attention and just play on autopilot, it's usually fine. Though, for this stage, when I play this stage without suit, I like doing this, just skirting the trains, but I normally don't hit them. Because you can save a lot of time by just like going like right by the trains. Because other people is normally too afraid to go there. You can just like sneak past and do inner turns and stuff like that. I can see if that's weird. Damn it, Morty. Fine. You can hit right then, it's fine. When I have a star, I can hit the train, and the train just goes bounce, which is, you know, great. It's pretty quick for it. Works, not bad. Can do it. Turn the camera a bit? I can. Right, it's a little far to this side, so I can... No, that's the opposite. No. Yeah, that's fine. This should be a little bit better, to catch more of my beautiful face. That's the only one we haven't played yet, so I guess I have to select it, even though that's gonna be a disaster. More fun to watch, maybe. Try multiple times, get stuffed into an empty lobby with waiting for everyone to vote for a curse. I'm not sure how that works, because Jolie joined after we started. I think this should be better though, the camera, after I adjusted it slightly. It's not perfect, but... There's no way to, like, rotate the camera, so I can just move it right now. Like I say, I need a better camera setup for my normal streams, but... The economy. I'm gonna go with that. Speaking of economy, remember to donate to charity, because they spend lots of money all the time feeding lots of animals that need help. If you wanna help pay for animal food and help the animals be happy, then donate. Isn't this also salary weekend in Sweden, at least? I feel like a lot of people get paid in their games in general. I said Toad's turn fight would be a disaster. This is exactly what the disaster looks like. You know, that one's surprisingly fine. I should have waited a bit. Could have hit Jolie with the red shell, but... Rain of flame. Maybe we can eat Jolie? Oh, we can. Delicious. I'm sorry for eating you. we go. Focusing a little bit hard in here now. Trying to see if we can survive this. Ah! I thought I would be able to use it from inside, but didn't turn fast enough. Where the heck is Crazy even though? Oh, like on the other side of the track. Get away! How dare you? Aha! Revenge. Ow. I love when the cars and trains bounce when you hit them with a star and similar. That's fun. Also remember that if you donate to charity, it shows up in chat, and that's really cool. And Space made them. And Space spent a lot of time implementing so donations will show up in chat. So if you want to make Space's work worth it... Darn it, I thought my star would last longer. Make Space's work worth it, you need to donate a lot, so a lot of donations show up in chat. Because that's how that works. We like fluffy ears? I'm glad you do, because I have a lot of fluffy ears. Or very big fluffy ears, should I say. I raised a lot of ears. His head is like half ears, half face. Ooh, all of these are good. Does the donation bot with donations? Yes. Surprised by well that went, did a practice run with this track against CPUs and I barely won. Yeah, Toad's Turnpike can be brutal. Oh yeah, it's about time to end up actually, so we will have to end the stream for now. So see you soon though, because I will be playing Super Animal Royale in a bit, so bye everyone. I guess we'll do this race off screen, but thank you all for coming. Please donate more, and see you after the opening for some Super Animal Royale. Bye everyone!